In this video, I'm going to show you how to find large break and the large break location in one's human. So, as you can see, this is that thing over there between these cones, and the way you can find it, if we open up the map, over here in the Red Sands area, level 48, there's this Forsaken Monolith, and in between the Forsaken Monolith and this Stinger's Cove frontier, there's this road, and in the middle of this road, at my exact coordinates, as you can see over here, down bottom right, is this location where we can find this large break. Now you want to walk inside these little cones over here and press F to interact, and then you'll be presented with that billboard. You just have to kind of position it. As you can see, it's not that hard, and the chest has been spawned. You then want to walk up this little hill and jump on these rocks, and then walk up to the crate and simply press your F key, and then as you can see in there, there's the large break. Now press claim all, and you've successfully obtained the large break. Now, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.